Welcome back to Predis. My name is Curdy, and as I said before, we're here in August Town. It's now time for the Caribbean video of the week, and it comes from Patrice Roberts, a song called Hold You Tight. So Patrice Roberts, come on up on me now, man. Predis.
When last you went to Coney Island? Hey. When last you ride on a roller coaster, baby? Hold on, hey. Buckle up, hey. Hold on, hey. I'm taking you for a ride, so you better hold on tight. Hold on, hey. I'm taking you for a sweet ride, so you better hold on tight. Hold on, hold on, hold on. When I start to whine, start to whine, start to whine, hold on tight. When I go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, hold on tight. When I roll my waist, roll my waist, roll my waist, hold on tight. When I go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, hold on tight. Start to whine, start to whine, start to whine, hold on tight. When I go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, hold on tight. You for a ride, so you better hold on tight. Hold on, I'm taking you for a sweet ride, so you better hold on tight. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. When I start to whine, start to whine, start to whine, hold on tight. When I go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, hold on tight. When I roll my waist, roll my waist, roll my waist, hold on tight. When I go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, hold on tight. Start to whine, start to whine, start to whine, hold on tight. When I go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, hold on tight. Hold on tight. Hold on, hold, buckle up, hold, hold on, hold on, hold, buckle up, hold, hold on. You're dealing with an expert rider, keep riding. I'm a professional driver, keep riding. No thrills down the roller coaster, keep riding. Come stick on me wall like poster, keep riding. When I start to whine, start to whine, start to whine, hold on tight. When I go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, hold on tight. When I roll my waist, roll my waist, roll my waist, hold on tight. When I go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, hold on tight. Start to whine, start to whine, start to whine, hold on tight. When I go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, hold on tight.
My name is Cruddy, and you're watching Predis. Remember, we're here in August Town, and it's now time for the vehicle tip of the week, and it's from Superior Parts Limited, of course. So learn how to preserve the life of your vehicle right here on this tip. Predis.
Here's a tip to help preserve the life of your motor vehicle. Vacuum and sponge your interior each time you wash your car. Dirt particles are abrasive, and spilled liquids such as soda can be corrosive. Vacuum your interior thoroughly with a powerful vacuum because small cordless models are generally too weak. Use the appropriate wand heads when vacuuming. The bare metal wand can mar and scratch surfaces. Sponge vinyl surfaces using a solution of mild detergent and water. This tip is brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Listen up for your health benefits with This Is Really Great Yogurt. It's a wonderful tasting yogurt. It's definitely my favorite, and it's healthy. So you guys listen up right now, and we have a recipe right here on the screen. So check it out and just brew this.
trying to keep fit, then This Is Really Great Yogurt is a great source of protein, which is very important for building the body that you truly need. This tip is brought to you by This Is Really Great Yogurt. Be good to your body.
I'd like to say thanks to all the viewers who watch week in, week out pre this and follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and everything. Just keep the support coming. Right now, it's all about the top 10 chart. Which song is at number 1? I don't know, but you guys need to check it out right here on Pre This.
You know what I'm looking for. Boy, you should know me. I don't care about where and who. The one thing you've got to do is make me believe you. When you bring joy in my life, come over, baby, looking at me eye. Love is pain, but you have to try. What you did there, all me life. Stop, 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 girl, why not stop, 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 girl, why not stop. Hey, hello kitty, I guess I can call me the cage for the city. Kitty cat, see a cockpit. Kitty cat, make that press bring 'em up quick. Make sure so you bring along my why stars, just you can wake up and stop walking your sleep. Lift your heads up. What it up become a fat up my plumber. Make a catch and them a cock up my bumper. Show you the one where the man come back for. I'm in no knowledge. Not back down. Step, step. Yeah, they can't represent me. Step down. Chef, we say dance. We no mean you stand up in a dance. Dance if you dance. We not come here because we support. We not run no joke. We can't figure short. Believe me. Can't cut us off like yes when we go court. We can't figure short. Believe me. Support for support. You are my best friend. No matter what me not left them. Woman everywhere me go so me no fret when. One gun, one band, so me get them. And if we run out a gun, me go start a gun. So make we turn it on. The light in the sun. Like a beacon on the mountain, shining through like the rising sun.
Alright, so you know this week's show comes to you from August Town, and from August Town we have to link up Makuni, a long time Pre This veteran. And so what go on? So Makuni, what are you dealing?
Yeah, I was a Pre This, you know. Later in life I could have be this, you know.
Yeah. So Makuni, you don't know you're one of the artists on the base and them things. So let's give the viewers a quick piece, huh?
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you street life. There is nothing like that street life. Sitting with your friends underneath the street lights. Watch the girls passing, looking neat like. That is how we know. There's no other sweet life. We don't know what driving a Benz would be like. What a Rolex on my wrist really feel like. We only Pre This.
Alright, see that you don't know. Wait up on the base. I will just gonna leave you right now until next week. My name is Cruddy. Big up the whole Pre This team. That's what I'm saying. We're gone.